Hello my dear kids and my dear parents. Welcome to Somna Kids World. I hope you all are doing good. So today I am going to share with you nursery worksheet. Nursery alphabet worksheet which is very easy to do at home. With very simple drawings and simple coloring, you can make it at your home and you can ask your kid to write alphabets or to do that worksheet. So let's see what is the worksheet and how I have done and how it is going to help you. This is about nursery worksheet. I have written here finish the alphabet. You can give any picture and you can also give, I have given here small letter A. You can also give capital letter. So there is nothing specific about this. So here I have started with the letter A and you can ask your kid to write the letter in a sequence like this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Like this you can give and you can tell a kid to write from A to Z. Next is select the correct letter that match with the picture. You can draw any picture and you can give any alphabet. I have drawn here an apple. So you can ask the kid, apple starts with which letter? So it starts with letter A. So you can ask your kid to circle letter A. If you give the picture like this, they can easily identify with which letter it starts so that they can able to circle it properly. Next is fill in the letters. You can give like this small drawing and here also you can ask your kid to write in a sequence. After A, what it will come? It's capital B because here I have given all the alphabets with a capital letter. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So like this you can give all the capital blanks or you can give any picture and you can tell them to write in a sequence. Next is fill in the missing alphabet letters in the correct order. Here also you can give either capital or small letters. Here I have given capital, so you can give the blanks like this and you can tell to fill the blanks. Like here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Next worksheet like this. Match the capital and small alphabets. If you give like this, they will able to know what is the capital letter with the same alphabet. Capital letter and the small letter. Like here I have given capital letter A. So this is a capital letter A. You have to find it out where is the small letter A. Here is a small letter A. You can tell them to match like this. Like here, it's a capital letter L. You can ask them where is the small letter L. So the kid will find it out and it will match like this. So like this, they can see, you can give one side capital letter and the other side small letter. So that they will able to find it out. They can easily identify and they can match. Next is like this. Draw a line to connect the matching letters. Here also I've given a capital letter. The same letter they have to identify this side also, and they have to match it. Like here, it is a capital A. They have to find it out. The kid have to find it out. Where is the capital letter A? Here it is. So they have to identify the same letter and they have to match it. Like B. This letter B. So you have to tell your kid find it out. Where is letter B? The kid will find it out like this and tell the kid to match it like this. This side also capital letter you can give, and this side also capital letter you have to give. The same letters you have to give in both the side. They have to find it out the same, they have same letters, they have to find it out. Either you can give the capital letters or small letter also. It's up to you. Next is circle the odd alphabet in the group. Like here, the first row I have given A, small a, small a, small a, C, small a, small a. So, you have to ask the kid, find it out which is not same, which is something different. So, C is here something different because here you can see A, but here it is letter C. So, here this one is something different. Next row you can see B, D, B. So here you can see all these are B, but here something different, that is letter D. So you have to find it out. Letter D is different. Like this you can give so that they can identify these are same and this letter is different one. Next one is matching uppercase and lowercase letter worksheet. You have to give uppercase letter like this, and here you have to give lowercase letter with the same letter. Like it here I have given capital letter E. Here also you have to give E only, but with the small letter. So it will so that the kid will able to understand here it is a capital letter. So I have to find it out the small letter E. So this capital letter, small letter E is this one, or you can say this is uppercase letter and this is lowercase letter. This is capital G, so find it out very small g. This is small d, no it's not. This is small f, no it's not. This is small g, yes. This is capital letter G and this is small letter g. So this one is the correct one. Next one is read the letter in first column and circle the same in row. Same thing, you can give like this, capital letter here and the same letter they have to identify and they have to circle it. Like this is capital E, the same letter or the capital letter E or the small letter E is here. The same letter, so they have to identify the same letter. You can give here small letter E. Here you can also give the capital letter E. So it is up to you, there is no problem. Here I have given a capital letter A. So this is capital letter A. So kid have to find out where is the small letter A. So this is a small letter A. Identify the same letter. So like this also you can give. Next is write the capital letters for the following. I have given here this side all the small letters. So you have to ask the kid to write the capital letters. This is small I. So what is this is small I? So you have to write here capital I. Small t, I have to write capital T. Small p, you have to write capital P. Small a, to write capital A. So like this you can give all the alphabets and you can ask them to write the capital letters. Next is here you can draw anything. Suppose here I have drawn A for apple. Circle all A with red color. Here I have mixed up a jumble of all the letters like A, C, I, D, E, F, K, H like this. So the kid have to find it out where is letter A. A for apple, and they have to color it with the color red color. Which color? With the red color. So they have to find it out like this. This is letter A. Here is letter A. Here is letter A. Letter A. Letter A. And now you can ask the kid to color it. Yes, you have find it out. So now you have to tell your kid to color it. Next is draw zigzag lines to connect the letters of the alphabet from A to Z. You can give a picture like this and you can give the dots with the reference to the picture. Suppose here I have given a dots. Here is A. After A, which letter comes? After A, B. After B, C. After C, D. After D, E. After E, F. After F, G. After G, H. After H, I. J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. You can see after joining all the dots, it's become a beautiful picture of a sun. So if you give like this, they will get interest. Yes, some picture is coming out, and after this picture, you can tell them to color it with a yellow color or orange color. So it's a picture of a sun, and you can tell them to color it. Next here, match the alphabet with the picture. You can see the picture of an umbrella. So umbrella starts with letter U. So you can tell here also it's a jumble one, and you can tell them you have to find it out where is letter U and you have to match it with umbrella. So here I have jumble with capital U, small u, everything, not only with the small or only capital, with capital and small. So you can tell them to just join it like this, match it like this. Here is capital U, small u, again capital U, small u. Here also capital U, small u. Like this you can tell them to match the alphabet with the picture. Next state, what comes next? You can give either small letter or capital letter. So here I have given it the capital letter. A, B, C, D. So after D what comes? E. Like this you can give like M, N, O, P. After P, Q. V, W, X, Y. After Y, Z. So like this you can give what comes after. They will remember so that they can easily write it properly. So for today's video, this much about for today. If you like this video, please share, like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos.